Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Happy Investing. In this video, I will explain on RailTel IPO basic details, past financial performance, valuation of the issue, and basis all these factors whether the IPO is worth subscribing or not. RailTel Corporation is a Mini Ratna central public sector enterprise wholly owned by Government of India and administered by Ministry of Railways. It is information and communication technology infrastructure provider to Indian Railways and one of the largest neutral telecom infrastructure providers in India. It was incorporated in September 26, 2000 for modernizing the existing telecom system for train control, operation and safety and to generate additional revenues by creating nationwide broadband and multimedia network by laying optical fiber cable by using the right of way along railway tracks. As of January 31, 2021, RailTel has optical fiber network over 59,000 route kilometers and covers 5,929 railway stations across India. If you look at the basic details of the IPO, its subscription rates are from 16 to 18 Feb. Price band is 93 to 94 per share. Total IPO size is 819 crores. Minimum bid lot size is 155 shares. Face value is INR 10 per share. And allocation for the retail is 35%. Usage of proceeds. This IPO is a part of the Government of India disinvestment plan and also to achieve the benefits of equity share listing on stock exchanges. Now we come to the past financial performance of the company. The company has posted steady growth in terms of revenue during last 3 fiscal years from financial 2018 to financial 2020. With profit margins of 13% and return on capital employed of 14%, the company leads the pack of telecom companies. And it is a debt-free company. Now we come to the most important part, valuation of the issue. The company has reported an average EPS rupees 4.3 during last 3 fiscal years, that is from financial 2018 to 2020. Basis financial 2020 EPS of rupees 4.4. The PE ratio at higher price band of rupees 94 stand at 21.36. With NAV of rupees 43.45 as on 30 September 2020, the issue is priced at price to book value of 2.16. Latest grey market premium on 12th Feb is rupees 40, that is 43% over offer price. I would conclude, RailTel is going to play a key role in digital transformation of Indian Railways and also benefit on arrival of 5G in India. Company's margins and return ratios are better compared to other telecom players. Issue seems to be reasonably valued considering the good future prospects of the company. High risk investor can invest for listing gains as well as for medium to long term perspective. So thank you friend. If you found my video interesting, please like, comment and share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Happy Investing. Stay tuned for more updates.